I can't believe it's not butter. It's the butter substitute with far fewer calories. But I'm curious to know, are the ingredients actually healthy for you? So, to the ingredients list. Firstly, there's purified water, which is used to evenly distribute the salts. Next, salt. There are 90 milligrams per tablespoon, far below the daily recommendation of 2,300 milligrams. Next, palm and palm kernel oil, which comes from the outer portions of the oil palm fruit. Palm oil is composed of 50% saturated fats, and the other half is unsaturated fats. Saturated fats are bad fats and are closely linked to high cholesterol and increased risk of heart disease. For reference, these fats are often found in butter, lard, and cheeses. It's important to note, I can't believe it's not butter has 70% less saturated fats than traditional butter. It's something to consider. Next, soy lecithin, which is a food additive used as an emulsifier, particularly to easily mix water and oil. This ingredient remains controversial in that it is unclear whether it is unhealthy for you. The amount in foods is very small, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved it for consumption. And natural flavors include any flavor coming from a plant or an animal. Next, vinegar, which is a mixture of water and acetic acid. The vinegar adds a sourness to the patties, which more than likely balances the flavor. It's perfectly safe for consumption. Next, vitamin A palmitate, which is a vitamin A that derives from animal products. Consuming less than 3,000 micrograms helps maintain healthy eyesight and skin function. Beta carotene, which comes from a pigment found in plants. It adds the distinctive yellow color and is generally regarded as safe to eat. As for me and my health, I prefer traditional butter. The ingredients are just simple. It's sweet cream and salt. I'm curious to know what you all think. Leave your preference down below.